We are at my newest listing in Candler Park at 1351 Hooper Avenue. This is such an awesome location. This is a dead-end street right off of Oakdale, so it is super close to everything that you would want to see, yet there is very little traffic, and it's perfect to play and get to see your neighbors. It's a perfect location. This is an incredibly unique property. It's a Modern Prairie. It was a custom build. And it's EarthCraft, so you get the best efficiencies all the way around. On this level, it's super open concept. We have a beautiful den, a nice open kitchen, a dining room that's open to all of the areas, and then it has the most unique feature of a bedroom that has movable walls. So it's perfect for an office. It's perfect if you want to have a sitting area and have it be part of the house. But you can also close it off so that you have the privacy of an office, plus a full bathroom on this level. We're now in the primary suite upstairs, and this is such a beautiful space, sectioned out completely from the rest of the floor. We have a nice sized room full of light and these beautiful, unique windows, including all the transoms that run along the top. And then we have a massive walk-in closet and a brand new master suite bathroom with gorgeous large shower and a separate soaking tub, double vanity. It's really quite lovely. One of the things that I really love about this house are all those super unique bonus spaces. So this is a great space to be able to set up for either a playroom or an office or a sitting area. It's been an art studio. And then the best thing is this super cool loft area. So at the top, it's got space for sleepovers, for hanging out, and for all your little treasures. It's such a cool spot. So you know we're now in my favorite spot. This is such a wonderful covered front porch. It's perfect for hanging out and relaxing at the end of the day, for saying hello to neighbors. There's also a huge deck off of the back so that you have options. It's got a perfect spot for a seating area. And then in addition, we still have the basement. Double car garage, we have a finished room in the basement, and then a huge unfinished area that you could finish out if you'd like. And then it's also stubbed for a bath. This home truly has it all. Newer construction, tons of space, ideal location, EarthCraft, so it's energy efficient. It doesn't get much better than that.